Welcome to the Advantage Insulating Concrete Forming System. The Advantage ICF System is a patented insulating concrete forming system that results in a monolithic flat insulating concrete wall. One block is comprised of two corresponding panels made from expanded polystyrene EPS insulation. The EPS panels function as the form and are held together with high-density plastic webs or ties, spaced 8 inches on center for the 6-inch concrete wall form, or 6 inches on center for the 8-inch concrete wall form. The top and bottom edges of Advantage ICF system blocks have pre-formed interlocking mechanisms, which ensure web connectors align vertically for attachment of surface finishing materials. Once a series of blocks have been assembled to form a wall with the appropriate steel reinforcement, concrete is poured inside the blocks to create a uniform structural wall system. The resulting structural concrete wall has exceptional insulating, fire, and sound characteristics. Advantage ICF system components include 2 panels of expanded polystyrene EPS. 2 5/8 inches create a form for the concrete that stays in place after to become the wall insulation. The forms are held in place by a rigid plastic web that has 3 key functions. To hold and space the EPS panels is the saddle for the steel reinforcement, rebar, are used for the attachment of interior and exterior finishes, functioning like a wood or metal stud. How is the Advantage ICF system different from other ICFs? Most ICFs are fundamentally similar. The differences are block dimensions, interlock, web design. Advantage standard blocks are 48 inches long by 16.5 inches high. The 16.5 inches in height is unique to the Advantage ICF system. When 6 blocks are used, their height results in 99 inches from top of footing to top of wall. With a 3 to 4 inch basement slab and top and bottom framing plates, it is perfect for a standard 8-foot foundation wall. With more homes going to higher foundation walls of 9 feet, the Advantage height adjustment block can be utilized, which adds 7.5 inches to the foundation wall height. As more codes are specifying under-slab insulation, especially when radiant in-slab heat is used, then another row of full-height Advantage ICF blocks will total 115.5 inches in height. The 3 to 4 inch concrete slab with 2 to 4 inches of Plasti-Fab radiant floor insulation, Plasti-Fab radon guard, or Plasti-Fab rigid will provide a superior comfortable basement with a clear interior height of 9 feet from top of slab to basement ceiling.